Hi, dear one. I'm Ellen Suazo, and I'm truly thrilled and grateful that you are here with me today. Thanks to technology, we can connect on a personal level, and I'm excited to share something special with you. Deep down, you know you're meant to live a life full of joy and abundance in every area of your life. Yet sometimes it feels like something is holding you back from fully embracing that life. That's where I come in as a holistic coach. My role is to support you and guide you in uncovering the answers that lie within you. Often, we have blind spots that prevent us from seeing the path forward. Together, we'll illuminate those areas and empower you to design the life you've always dreamed of, one that aligns with your deepest ambitions. So, schedule your complimentary discovery session now. Why wait? Let's connect. Schedule a complimentary holistic discovery session with me. And during our time together, you will complete a survey that reveals common challenges faced by many, especially entrepreneurs. Challenges you might not even be aware of. And if you're an entrepreneur, I have an exciting gift for you. Sign up and you will receive a free ebook packed with insights on how to build a holistic business. You can create the life you know you're meant to live. Thank you so much for taking the time to explore my site and to connect with me. I cannot wait to embark on this journey together. Until then, namaste.